I'm here to talk about paste linking, where you could take data that's in a spreadsheet and you can either paste it into a Word or a PowerPoint document. It will be linked back. What we have here is the sales data for our theme park. And let's say we want to do a chart. I could just go here, show you a little shortcut here, highlight these cells, put my finger on the control key, non-adjacent range, click on the auto sum. All the numbers are there. So you could actually bold, let's say, the top row and this row here. Probably want to bold this out too. What I want to do, I want to create a chart, paste it, link it into the PowerPoint. So what I do, I want to do our sales here. First quarter, I hold down the control key, create a chart, insert. I'll do the 3D chart here. So we've got the chart in here. I'm doing this in 2016. It works a little differently with different versions, but that is okay. It's essentially the same. If I click inside here and I just want to say theme park admissions for the year 2016, I hit the enter key. So I've got the chart here. What I want to do, I want to copy, paste, link it, so that way if there's any changes, it shows up. I right-click inside here. I click on copy, or I could have done a Control-C. Go back into PowerPoint. What I want to do is I want to paste, link it. I could right-click inside here. If I want to find the paste link, these are not linking. It's going into different themes here. Doesn't have that there. What you're going to do, you click on the drop-down arrow in the upper left-hand corner under Paste. Paste Special. Do you see what says Paste Link? Has a chart object. Say OK. You've got the chart. Now, let's say we want to edit the chart. I'm going to move this down just a little bit here. That's way too small. Let's enlarge this. It's proportionate. I'm going to do a couple of changes here. What I'm going to do, let's say I want comments on the numbers. I highlight these. Comma. You got the comments showing up here. And let's say I want to change the style of the chart. I click on the Design tab. It shows a whole bunch of different things here. I'm going to use this black one here. Now I'm going to go back into PowerPoint. It has the data labels there, or the quantities here. Go back here. It's showing it. If it doesn't show, you right click. Got to be careful here. You could see that what I was doing, I was getting that. Unintentionally, but intentional. Update link. It does show it. I can make it larger if I want to. Go into the corners. It's like any type of a graphic. And this is even better. I go into here. And let's say we found out in the Far East, in the fourth quarter, everybody went there. 200,000. Look what happens to the chart. Shoots way up. I want to change the style of the chart or the color of the bars. I click on one bar. They're all highlighted. Double click. I go into the format with the fill. And let's say I want a different color. It says automatic here. I'm just going to click on solid. And then I'm going to choose another color. And let's say I want burgundy. That was only the one there. It should have been all of them. And what I do here, if I click in here, I go into solid fill. Now everything is red. So I have that there. I'm going to go, and I want this text down here to be bold. You got to be careful when you're doing the charts here. You click inside here. I'm not inside that range here. Now it is. I can make it bold. Let's say I want a color for it to match. Go on the Home tab. I click inside here, and I find that burgundy. I have that. A little hard to see. I'm going to just lighten it a bit. Much better. Click in here. Click on the color. Make it bold. If I want to make it smaller, I can make it 16. Let's add one on one line. Go to 14. So I go over here. I go back into PowerPoint. It's not showing it. Right click. Update link. It shows it here. Last thing here. I'm going to save and exit from this. Save this. When I do this, I'm in my folder here. Keep things in the same folder, okay? You want to be organized. Now watch this. When I open up the PowerPoint, it's going to say update links. If it doesn't find, you're going to have to browse for it. So I click on update links. Scroll down to here. And even if I had changed this while the PowerPoint was closed, it will find it and put it in.